Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable high contrast text on Android as an accessibility feature. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button and scroll down and select where it says display and touch. And then go down again underneath appearance, display size and text. Go ahead and select that. And now under high contrast text, change text color to black or white, maximizes contrast with the background. Click inside here to turn that on to enable high contrast text. Conversely, if you want to disable high contrast text, you can click inside there one more time and that'll turn it off. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.